Hey guys, it's Jean, your virtual bestie. Today, I'm giving you a quick tour inside Gmail. If you are an aspiring GVA, this is something you definitely need to get comfortable with. Alright, let's get into it. First, this is your inbox. This is where all your new emails show up. And trust me, you'll be looking at this a lot as a VA. Up here, you'll see the primary, promotions, social, and even updates. Most of your clients' emails will land in primary, so that's the tab you'll check the most. Know this? This is your search bar. This is your best friend. You can type names, keywords, or even file types to find anything fast. Now on the left side, you'll see the labels. These are basically Gmail's folders. You can create and organize labels for your clients, tasks, and projects to keep everything neat. Now over here, on the right, you'll see some Google Workspace. Your calendar, your key, your tasks, and your contacts. These are super helpful when you're managing schedules or client notes. And of course, the compose button. This is where you write your emails. You'll want to learn how to format emails properly and match your client's tone. Then up here, the settings gear. This is where you customize everything. Your inbox layout, shortcuts, email signature, all that good stuff. And don't forget the other folders, like sent, drafts, all mails, even spam. You'll be checking these from time to time, especially if you're tracking past conversations. And that's pretty much your quick Gmail tour. Super simple, super essential, especially if you're just starting out as a GV. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye!